Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, security system, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.